In this video, we will show you how to replace your tail lamp assembly on this Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to do is remove our two Phillips head screws that hold the tail lamp to the body of the vehicle. Inspect that mounting hardware. As you remove it, replace it as necessary. Take hold of that tail lamp assembly and gently pull it straight rearward. Along the backside is where you're going to find your wiring harness. Let's disconnect that by squeezing on the locking tab. We'll give that a quick check for corrosion and we can set that aside. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new rear tail lamp. Connect in your electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a light tug to make sure it's completely secure. Now we'll continue on putting the tail lamp in place. You'll find that you have two tabs and two mounting ports for them to slide into. Align your mounting bolt holes, start those in and snug them up. The last thing you want to do is test its functionality. As you can tell, everything's functioning as it needs to. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.